Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change profile names on Netflix mobile. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is first of all open your Netflix application on your phone. And after doing that, what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. Just like this, here you can see I'm logged into my account. And now in here you can see these are all of the profiles of your Netflix account. Now, if you want to change a particular profile name, all you have to do is tap on this edit button that you can see right here. Then you can see all of the pencil-like icon on all of the profiles. So you'll have to tap on the specific profile that you want to change the name of. For example, I want to change this particular profile name, so I'm going to tap on this. Then in here, you can see this is the current name. If you tap on it, you can now edit this name. Just like this, here you can see I have now successfully edited this name. Now all you have to do is tap on the tick button on your keyboard just like this. And here you can see you are all done. Now if you go back, here you can see we have now successfully changed the profile name on your Netflix. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.